it's Alex here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here in Skagway for the first time and I'm so excited about it. I have of course 1 hour and a half of a break and I'll do my best as always. So I have to purchase some things. I'm going out with my friends and I'm not gonna bother you with those stuff that I'm just purchasing. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so it will inform you of a new video of mine, and of course smash that like button. Let this video reach the stars. Alright. Yeah.
Good sign.
Show me. Welcome to Workway.
Here in Alaska, actually, at the end of the season, it becomes very yummy berries. Sour.
Only one.
One for you, one for me.
Give me only one.
Take more.
Alright, thank you. What is that?
This showing beam, and this is food for bed. Right here.
Very nice. Hope another one. Alright.
Black bear.
Bear black.
Ursus americanus.
Ooh, very good.
Ursules.
Another one.
My favorite.
Oh,
river otter.
beautiful.
They're so cute.
Oh, and this, what is this? Crow. Yeah, it's alright. Interesting. Yeah. Like this. Show me how it's gonna be. All right. Gold miner.
Company who created
This head?
trains, yeah, and it was 69. It was the number of the first original trains in Alaska.
All right. Oh no.
You know how I start to move.
Yeah, go on. Okay.
This is the list what you're supposed to have with you. Food and medicine, cooking supplies, clothing, and it's like looks like all this. If you collect all this, you should.
It's like that.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
It's a lot for one person. Can you imagine?
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. This is absolutely amazing. I've never seen this before.
Yeah, they found a lot
What's this
of.
guy?
20,000 years old.
Yeah,
Goodness.
because the miners like
So many.
demolished all this.
Look at those beautiful mountains up there. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It's beautiful, beautiful country. Absolutely amazing. Allowed to do that.